My name is Dr. Rajkumar Singh. I did MSc PhD in zoology with specialization entomology from Baba Sahib Ambedkar University, formerly Agra University, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. I am medical entomologist working in ICMR, National Institute of Malaria Research, New Delhi, as a research scientist, and I have joined this institute in July 1994. My research group is vector biology in this institute. My expertise in the vector-borne disease like malaria, filaria, dengue, kala jar. I have published more than 40 research publications in different national and international journals and 6 Hindi articles in Malaria Patrika published by NIMR. My research work depends on basic and operational research to support the malaria control program for better control of vector of malaria, dengue, chikungunya, and other vector-borne diseases. My research field as a biological control of mosquito, monitoring of insecticide susceptibility of malaria, dengue, chikungunya, kala jar, vector, including mosquito larvae. I have did many laboratory and field trial on the mosquitocidal property of different plants. Situation analysis of malaria in different districts of the states of the country. I have done many outbreak investigation for malaria, dengue, kala jar, and other vector-borne disease in different parts of the country. I have conducted many entomological survey for malaria and other vector-borne disease and outbreak investigation in different parts of the country. To find out the problem, if any, in existing malaria, dengue, chikungunya, and Zika and other vector-borne diseases control strategy launched by Government of India in any part of the country. To provide possible technical support to the program for better management and control of malaria, dengue, and other vector-borne disease like chikungunya and Zika. Evaluation of anti-malarials and to suggest alternate therapy for particular area and also for entire country. Expert member as an entomologist of EMR Relief Division of DHS, Ministry of Health and Welfare, Government of India for outbreak investigation. In the next 5 years, I will be engaged in the following SEC-approved research projects to study vector biology, control, and vector-borne disease in India. Monitoring of Thamophorus susceptibility status of Anopheles stephensi and Aedes aegypti larvae in NCR, Delhi. Impact of fogging on dengue vector Aedes aegypti in Delhi. Determination of region of persistence of malaria in Dantewada and determination of malaria control towards category 1. Study on the ecology and bionomic of Aedes aegypti and transmission of dengue in Ahmedabad city, Gujarat. In addition to the above projects, I shall be planning to support the malaria elimination activity in collaboration with NVBDCP, Government of India.